Hello, welcome to the demonstration of mobile application testing training program. With over 14 years of expertise in software testing, we now bring to you our experience across domains, verticals, and geographies packed in 24 hours. The objective of this program is to ensure you get adequate exposure to mobile app testing. Over the duration of the training, you'll be provided with sufficient practical sessions to help you get hands-on with mobile app testing, post which there will be an online evaluation and mock interviews. Experienced and certified technologists deliver the training program and mentor the trainees. We shall begin with importance of software testing, software development and testing life cycles, and then know about verification, validation, types of testings, and test case design and practice. Then we shall get into overview of mobiles, smartphones and different operating systems along with features of all the versions. Once that is done, an in-depth detail of the types of mobile applications and what are the technologies used to develop them are covered with real-time examples. Now let's consider an application which is installable and made for all the platforms. Here we shall discuss about the guidelines of the app or Play Store regarding to application design. We know testing should be done across all the platforms, so how to choose a device? We shall begin right from the test plan creation and scenario identification. Test case design according to different types of testing such as functional, UI, interface, interruption, network, which are specifically needed for the mobile apps. This gives us the scope to say what will be varying across the device and platforms. Android SDK can be installed on the trainee system and can install app. Practice on the emulators. Having a smartphone will be an added advantage to test and practice on real device. Once the testing is done with the execution reports, we shall move on to submission process to app or Play Store. Finally, we shall have introduction to cloud-based mobile app testing services and overview of automation tools. This covers the entire real-time mobile application testing process. If you wish to embark on a software testing journey, please register for the training and we will ensure you are adequately prepared. All the best.